Hello there. What do you do if you've got a Mk3 Skoda Octavia and the washer jet for the rear wiper is blocked? Well, you could clear the blockage with dynamite, but that makes lots of noise. So in this video, I'll show you an alternative method that's much, much quieter. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right. The washer jet is built into the rear wiper arm and can be found underneath that cap. Here's a close-up of the cap. We therefore need to remove that cap, which can be done without tools. Simply grab the side of the cap here and pull it towards the back of the car. Like so. We can now pull the cap back. Something like that, which reveals the washer jet underneath. Here's a close-up of the washer jet's nozzle. That nozzle needs to be removed, for which we need a small flat-headed screwdriver, and just in case you've never seen one of those, it looks like this. And all we need to do is pop the screwdriver behind the washer jet and pry it out of position. Nearly there. Got it. Now, it's likely that any blockage is within the nozzle itself, but before we go any further, it's sensible to double check there isn't an issue elsewhere. To do that, simply operate the washer jet like so, and make sure that water comes firing out the back of the car as we see here. This, of course, in my car's case, confirms the blockage is within the nozzle itself, so that needs to be cleaned out, and there are various ways to do that. For example, we have this vicious looking tool which is specifically for cleaning a washer jet, and of course all we do is poke it into the holes, like so, to remove any debris. You could just as easily use a needle, of course, but I don't have a needle. I have this thing. And often, something like this is all you've got to do to remove the blockage. If a pointy thing doesn't clear the blockage, I typically move on to GT85, which is good for cleaning stuff. And what I like to do is squirt some here into the base of the nozzle to clean it out across its entire length. Are you ready? Here we go. Messy, but effective. You can also clean the nozzle with one of these dental sticks, something like that. And compressed air can help too. And of course, once the nozzle's clean, simply pop it back into position. Just like that. And at this point, it may need a gentle tap with a light hammer to drive it home. There we go. And of course, we now replace the cap, like so, and check the washer jet works. Place your bets now then. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Yes, plenty of water cleaning the back window, so we'll call that a job well done. Before you go though, I'm interested to know what you think. How do you like to clean the washer jets on your car? Do you like something sharp and pointy like a needle? Do you spray stuff through them, or is it something completely different? Let me know in the comments section, and as always, you're also welcome to visit CarSpyTV.com and to click like on this video, and while you do those things, I'm going to top up the windscreen washer reservoir on my car because for some unfathomable reason, it's empty. Bye.